will they come up in arms and say कि जैसे पहले कहते हैं ना कि ये जो दहशतगर्दी है इसके पीछे वर्दी है, और ये वर्दी ने उनको इतनी बारी they have done this and people had got sick and tired. There are reports that people had stopped saluting.
Yes.
You know, जब कोई वर्दी में आता है, that is the worst thing that can happen, where a civilian has no respect, and that was unheard of in Pakistan. उनके लिए अल्लाह के बाद आर्मी है, राइट? सो
बीच में कहीं कहीं अमेरिका
आ जाता है और वो भी बंद हो गया फिर उसके बाद. They're trying to replace it with China.
Yes,
but you know, if there was this thing that, you know, Imran Khan was the most popular leader, उसको जेल में डाल दिया. The existing political leadership is so weak. So people are sick and tired of the फौज कि तुम कुछ भी नहीं कर पा रहे हो. अब ऐसे हालात में आसिम मुनीर comes up with this पहलगाम incident. Is it uniting everybody against, in favor of the army? So will the Pakistani farmer be up in arms against the Fauj?
Ma'am, historically, whenever there is a problem or internal problem in Pakistan, which today are, I think, the most deep, economy is in doldrums. Pakistani rupee vis-a-vis dollars, petrol, diesel prices, sugar, rice, wheat, dal, their prices. Their politics, lesser said the better. Anyone who is removed from the Prime Minister's chair, I'm using the word removed, either goes to the jail or goes abroad. And their diplomacy. When 370 was abrogated, other than one or two countries, no country stood with Pakistan.
Yeah.
That is the level of their diplomacy. And military, lesser said the better. And वो सीधी सी बात है. Why the world is not standing with them? One is they are a terrorist state. The second is we are 1/6 of the world in population. When I say 1/6 of the world, we are 1/6 of the market. कोई देश अगर सुई भी बनाता है ना, तो उसको बेचने के लिए हिंदुस्तान में आना पड़ेगा. We are providing that market. Secondly, we are the 5th largest economy.
So we have the buying power.
We have the buying power, and we are going to be the 3rd largest economy. Anyone who aligns with India is definitely going to be beneficial.
Rather than this terrorist state.
And otherwise, if they align with Pakistan तो बोलेगा अच्छा मैं आएगा मेरे को कुछ दे दो. वो अपना बाउल लेके आ जाएगा,
कटोरा लेके
आ जाएगा. तो these are the things which, and then today the world is afraid of only two things. One is the terrorist acts, where anywhere in the world जहाँ भी कोई आतंकवाद की घटना होती तार आके पाकिस्तान से जुड़ते हैं. And second is nobody wants nuclear weapons in the hands of irresponsible people.
Okay.
And today in Pakistan, you never know what will happen tomorrow. मैम जब तक पिछले 75 years तक पाकिस्तान की आर्मी ने जो झूठ बोल करके they even told a lie कि 1971 की लड़ाई हम जीत गए. Whereas those days there was no internet, there was no Google, so people could not clarify or identify. So they accepted it.
Front page news था.
Front page news था मैं. And then today when everyone has an access to internet and he is aware क्या हो रहा दुनिया में, और मैम जो up in arms वाली बात है ना, जो आपने बोला ये जो दहशतगर्दी है इसके पीछे वर्दी है. We had a video coming out from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa where local police is questioning the military. And that chap is saying तेरे जनरल को हम अपने जूते की टो पे रखते हैं. This had never happened in Pakistan. और जब मैम बच्चे भूखे मरते हैं ना, चाहे वो किसान है, चाहे वो गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट है, चाहे वो कॉमन सिटीजन है, कोई भी है, जब उसके घर रोटी नहीं पकेगी, जब उसके खेत में फसल नहीं उगेगी, जब शाहूकार का कर्जा वापस नहीं दिया जाएगा, और जब बच्चे भूखे मरेंगे ना, then he has no other option but to raise his voice.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.